Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be covering the path module in Node.js, which is a core module, and it's pretty handy. Let's just check what are the functions within path module. The first is that base name. It represents the position of a path. For example, let's just console log the base name of we are on D drive tutorial. It shows index.js, which is the base name, which is this. So if you want to just print the name, I'm going to pass another argument and then add .js. It shows index. Next in our list is directory name. It returns the directory, which is this part, name. Choose these :/tutorial since it's directory where index.js is contained. Next is extension name. So this will return .js since the extension is .js. If I were to use .exe over here, it would return .exe. Let's just I'm gonna skip format. I'm gonna skip some of the functions. You can check it out by yourself from the documentation. Let's use the parse function. It's gonna show us many objects. Let's just tap into the only the name property. It's gonna show us index. If you tap into the extension property, it's just gonna show us .ext, .js. It's pretty handy if you're dealing with multiple function. If you want to get property of the same document but different properties. For example, I'm just gonna add a variable and define the parse object to it. For example, let's just say cars. My bad. This should be. It shows nothing because we have not console logged anything yet. Let's tap into name. Let's tap into directory. Let's tap into base. We did that. Now let's just make it extension here and then directory here. Also the root. It shows us the name of the file and then the extension, then the directory where it contains, and the root directory, which is D drive, and then the base name, which is index.js. That's it. You can check out different functions yourself and practice them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.